Hi guys, it's Sal here. So this video today is all about measuring our progress. I know a lot of us hop on the scale, hop off, hop on, hop off, or maybe we track those non-scale victories like how loose our pants are fitting, or maybe you visit NutriShop for a free body analysis. Whatever you do, I love that you do it, but let's add one more tool to our toolbox. So let's talk about measuring ourselves. You might say, well, what do I use? I like to use my electronic measuring tape because it allows me to save my progress week after week. But I understand some of us are still using those OG measuring tapes, and that's fine. One of the numbers I like to keep track of is my waistline. Let's face it, visceral fat is a big deal. A lot of the health issues that we're facing comes from visceral fat. So the more inches we lose in our waist, the healthier we can hopefully be. So you want to start at your belly button here as a center and then wrap all the way around. So that's how we're going to measure our belly button. Now, my favorite place are these glutes because I work on them, and you're going to go around the thickest or widest part of your butt and hips, right around there, and wrap it around here. Boom, boom. Some of us like to keep track of those quads, not really something that I focus on, but if you do, you want to first start with your knee out, and you're going to put the measuring tape at the top of your knee and use one finger to go up 6 inches, so right about there. Keep that finger there, and then you're going to take the measuring tape where you left 6 inches and wrap it all the way around. Boom. Again, I don't really track my quads because they're massive, and all I really want to do is have a little waist and a big booty. Next are going to be our chest. So again, starting at 1, and when you measure your chest, you want to go around the nipple line. So you want to kind of have an idea of where your nipples are, and you're going to go straight across the nipple line there. That's the widest part of your chest. When it comes to flexing those biceps, I measure both the flexed arm and the relaxed arm just to give you an idea of the fluctuation. So here it is, measuring our waist, measuring our glutes, measure those quads, hit that flex, get that chest, and keep track. Week over week, you want to be losing inches. You see here, boom, week over week, I'm losing inches. The goal is a healthier, happier you. Let me know if I can help any more, okay guys? Mwah.